This isn't a house, it's a $125 million fortress overlooking Saul of Beverly Hills. Stay tuned to see why.
Just look at the massive walls of custom bronze-tinted glass and that crazy structural titanium overhang. This is pure billionaire power.
Step through these monolithic pivot doors into a foyer built entirely of board-formed concrete and warm bronze glass. Look at this primary lounge with plush charcoal seating, custom titanium accents, and floor-to-ceiling bronze glass views of Beverly Hills. This drawing room features custom titanium-framed furniture, floating bronze glass tables, and soaring 20-foot ceilings with warm ambient lighting. This master kitchen boasts solid titanium islands, bronzed glass cabinetry, and top-tier appliances fitted for a private Michelin-star chef. Imagine hosting elite dinner parties at this custom 16-seat charcoal marble table, underneath a breathtaking bronzed geometric chandelier. The primary master suite offers a king-size titanium bed frame, charcoal velvet paneling, and sweeping glass ocean vistas. This executive home office is a billionaire command center, with titanium desk finishes and massive bronze-tinted glass walls. This master bathroom features floating dark marble double vanities, a freestanding titanium soaking tub, and bronze glass rain showers. Check out this gravity-defying floating marble staircase framed with brushed titanium handrails and bronze-tinted glass partitions. Even the secondary master bedroom delivers world-class luxury with custom Italian furnishings and massive floor-to-ceiling bronze-tinted glass. Your VIP guests get their own elite suite with brushed titanium accents and unbelievable bronze-tinted ocean views. Even the second guest bedroom screams luxury, featuring deep charcoal tones, concrete walls, and gorgeous matte titanium finishes. The family bedroom suite features custom titanium study desks, plush charcoal bedding, and massive warm bronze glass windows. This master walk-in closet is insanely huge. It features bronze glass display doors and custom matte titanium shelving. Guest bathroom 1 features a massive floating concrete vanity, matte titanium fixtures, and an insane bronze glass shower. Guest bathroom 2 keeps the billionaire energy high with deep charcoal marble tiles and custom matte titanium hardware. Step into the private romance room, wrapped in deep charcoal velvet, warm bronze lighting, and absolutely zero distractions. This futuristic powder room boasts a monolithic board-formed concrete sink and a massive ceiling-height warm bronze reflective mirror. The upstairs family lounge is perfect for relaxing, featuring a massive charcoal sectional and panoramic bronze glass views.
Check out this private sitting lounge, surrounded by board-formed concrete, warm 3500K lighting, and ultra-premium matte titanium furniture.
This billionaire home library features custom titanium ladders, massive charcoal bookshelves, and raw concrete walls. It is insane. Behind the scenes is this hidden prep kitchen, wrapped in deep charcoal cabinetry and professional-grade titanium surfaces. Just look up at this insane layered ceiling design, combining raw concrete, brushed titanium, and warm 3500K lighting. This luxurious butler's pantry features flawless board-formed concrete counters and stunning warm bronze glass cabinetry to display everything. The indoor service kitchen extension boasts ultra-premium matte titanium appliances set perfectly against deep charcoal stone and concrete. Even the laundry room is a masterpiece with custom titanium appliances, dark charcoal marble, and warm 3500K lighting. Step through the mudroom entry featuring custom charcoal leather seating, brushed titanium storage, and heavy board-formed concrete walls. The dedicated staff quarters maintain the ultimate billionaire aesthetic with sleek titanium finishes and deep charcoal luxury bedding. Experience this immersive cinema room lined entirely in deep charcoal velvet, bronze acoustic panels, and ultra-plush titanium recliners. This contemporary entertainment hall features a custom brushed titanium billiards table with charcoal felt and bronze glass racks. Welcome to the ultimate billionaire home gym, completely decked out with custom brushed titanium equipment and bronze mirrors. Every inch is a masterpiece, featuring heavy board-formed concrete walls adorned with massive brushed titanium abstract sculptures. Relax in this insane private sauna, designed with deep charcoal slate, hidden warm lighting, and massive bronze glass. The attention to detail is crazy, featuring polished deep charcoal stone floors cut with flawless brushed titanium inlays. Find pure zen in this meditation room, surrounded by raw concrete architecture and an epic bronze glass view. Every single door in this fortress is a monumental floor-to-ceiling brushed titanium masterpiece, weighing hundreds of pounds. Check out the flawless precision of these deep charcoal custom cabinets, featuring heavy, flush-mounted brushed titanium handles. The outdoor seating rests on massive cantilevered concrete terraces, wrapped in completely opaque, custom bronze-tinted glass walls. This is the ultimate billionaire kids' room, featuring custom brushed titanium arcade machines and ultra-plush charcoal lounges. Start your morning at this custom artisanal coffee bar, built with matte titanium and flawless deep charcoal stone. This breakfast nook features custom titanium chairs and a bronze glass table overlooking the ultimate billionaire view. The VIP guest bathroom rivals a five-star hotel with its dark charcoal marble and ultra-premium titanium hardware. Check out this heavy bike display space, featuring custom titanium pedestals and raw board-formed concrete floors. The terraced landscaping features sharp concrete retaining walls and brutalist gardens set against heavy bronze glass facades. Welcome to the 12-car showroom garage, a billionaire vault built entirely from board-formed concrete and titanium pillars. Even the climate control system is a masterpiece of design, with custom matte titanium vents embedded in concrete. Relax in this fully enclosed indoor pool lounge, wrapped in deep charcoal stone and massive bronze glass walls. This indoor lounge setup brings unbelievable comfort with plush charcoal velvet seating framed by monumental titanium accents. Enjoy the indoor terrace lounge, blending heavy concrete architecture with elegant bronze glass and deep charcoal seating. This private bedroom suite is wrapped in lush charcoal velvet and features an unbelievable brushed titanium canopy bed. Check out this dedicated makeup room, boasting a massive warm bronze mirror and a custom floating titanium vanity. Throw legendary billionaire events in this private party room, complete with a custom futuristic brushed titanium DJ booth. Even the service corridors look like a sci-fi billionaire bunker, heavily fortified with concrete and solid titanium doors. These hidden service stairs are pure architectural perfection, featuring sharp concrete treads and unbelievably thick brushed titanium handrails. Command the entire fortress from this insane residential security room, featuring a massive wall of bronze-tinted glass displays. Just stare at this monumental geometric chandelier, custom built from solid brushed titanium and glowing bronze-tinted glass panels.
Control this entire smart fortress using these ultra-sleek brushed titanium control panels embedded directly into raw concrete walls.
The massive pantry storage room features endless rows of custom brushed titanium shelving resting on deep charcoal stone. Check out this insane climate-controlled wine vault, completely enclosed in floor-to-ceiling bronze glass with floating titanium racks. Find ultimate peace in this indoor Zen garden enclosed in bronze glass with custom brushed titanium planters. Kick back in this casual media lounge featuring plush charcoal velvet sofas and a massive titanium entertainment console. This indoor dining extension lounge offers heavy charcoal seating, titanium tables, and massive warm bronze glass partition walls. Relax inside this incredible indoor relaxation pavilion built entirely from raw concrete, heavy titanium framing, and charcoal loungers. The poolside interior lounge deck is absolutely stunning, featuring deep charcoal stone floors and custom matte titanium loungers. Experience the ultimate indoor spa shower, wrapped completely in deep charcoal marble, bronze glass, and titanium hardware. Look at these massive professional luxury refrigerators, completely custom built from solid matte titanium and charcoal cabinetry. Every piece of furniture is a masterpiece, featuring deep charcoal velvet seating perfectly framed by heavy brushed titanium. At night, the interior ambiance is insane, as warm lighting reflects perfectly off the heavy bronze glass walls. Even the study room is billion-dollar tier, with brushed titanium desks, deep charcoal shelves, and bronze lighting. Look down from this upper floor overlook, featuring heavy titanium railings and insane bronze glass balustrades. This $125 million fortress is the absolute pinnacle of brutalist luxury and heavy titanium architecture. We end the tour in the panoramic Horizon Lounge, overlooking Beverly Hills through incredible custom bronze glass.